Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to calculate mean in Google Docs step by step. So let's begin. First, open your Google Spreadsheet, then type your document and see this. Click anywhere, example, click this equal average bracket first and use source data, or you can use type to this cells number, example B2, and use last cells B6. Press in close bracket, press enter. Select again your data, copy, press Ctrl C for copy. Again go to your Google Docs, press Ctrl V, link to spreadsheet, and you can change to this score number or any data. Press enter, simply update. See this result and change the color. Okay, then again update. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.